Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2015 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number B9175X. 33,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5. Cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This 200 is free of dents or dings. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning. Compass display. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays as well. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9175X to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.